Do you want to create amazing video wallpapers like these? High quality and easy to make firstly all the wallpaper. Let me show you how to create wallpapers like this in a few simple steps. First, go to Google Play and search for live video wallpaper. Scroll down a little and you will find an app like this. Download it and install it on your phone. Second, open this application and click on Choose Video. Give the permission it asks for and then select your video. Note that videos that you download from other websites or YouTube will not show up in this app. I don't know why this happens, but many people have reported this issue, and I have experienced this issue also, but don't worry, I have a trick to fix this glitch. Third, you can download any edited anime from YouTube Shorts, or any of the website that you know and you like. Also, there are many channels that offer awesome anime edits. Just search for them and download the ones that you want. I won't explain how to download them because it's very easy and you can find many videos on YouTube that show you how to do it. Fourth, after you download your anime clip, you can take a screen recording of it. This way, the app will recognize your screen recording video and you can use it as your wallpaper. You can also edit your screen recording. You can do it in the app, only just trim it a little bit and cut out the parts that you don't want like mine. This won't affect the quality of your video. Fifth, you can do this with many different anime clips and change your wallpaper whenever you want. You can have a different wallpaper every day. In the beginning of this video, I have shown you 3 to 4 different wallpapers that I have created using this method. that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also,